Hello, YouTube. Found Menwolf at my GameStop. Yes, I am in my bathroom. I'm sorry. But I found Menwolf, and I figured, why not open? Well, I buy him, used my $5 off, got him cheap. He's actually cheaper now today than he would be if I bought it off of Amazon. Somehow I got him at GameStop because he is an Amazon exclusive. It was the boom. Little image. Let's see if I can. There we go. But we could get like $5 for the card too. So okay, you got kind of nice background piece. Let's just put that there so you don't have to look at my toilet. But they really don't want you. The card. It's a double-sided one, but let's see. I am basically just going to take this right down to my card store and sell it because I don't need Magic the Gathering. Boom. I had Magic, sold it all. Don't need it. Got too expensive. Oh, interesting. I thought it was. So I guess that fits here. Huh. Interesting. Oh, you came with a. Hey, it does come. So do these come out? I don't know what these do. So I have allergies. Get a sword. It's painted red. Has silver. Not bad. Oops. 2 sets of hands. One's werewolf hand. The other's a fist, which I kind of wish you would get 2 wide open hands instead of a fist. They have 4 scoped on them. Not bad. This is the only figure I wanted out this way besides Spider-Man. I'm probably never going to get Spider-Man, but yeah. Get a bow. I'm pretty sure. I don't own any bow characters. No, I have Taskmaster. But I'm pretty sure this is the same bow as that. Nothing else. And Menwolf himself. He has a jaw that moves. Not bad. Looks like Menwolf. Got a crunch. Nice crunch. Crunch back. Not so much in the back. A little tight tail, but nice elbow, tail. got that. No butterfly joints. I gotta say, it's a different type of plastic. Calf swivel. Oh. There we go. Yeah. No boot cut. He's a little gappy. Like you can see, it's a little bit gappy though. Probably some type of plastic. Something. I'm not so. I'm not one. Oh, his neck is two different pieces. So he can look all the way up. And kind of down. Not much. But there's a thing covering the ball joint here. Don't know if you can see that. I'm not taking it off because I'm not one to do that. I think this is just our new scope. I don't know. I don't know many fully 6-inch characters, but it's all full sculpted in. Got feet, peg holes on the bottom of the feet. The feet, all a little tight, but yeah. And stands. He's not even on a level surface and he can stand pretty good. I say that now, okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's get the sword in one hand. I don't know how these work. Yeah, I don't know how the arrows work, but they're supposed to go in here somehow. But I'm not sure how they fit in there. I have to check that afterwards. Maybe the instructions tell you. Nothing. But you can put the arrow back here. And you can... I always hang the bow off the side. I'll probably have the fisted hand, this hand on. Okay. See us. Leave a thumbs up. I don't know. I think I'm the first one to review this on YouTube, so if you see it, enjoy. I'm sorry my toy was a mess. Bye.